Hello students, today we are going to learn the second lesson of EDS, so many kinds of animals. Now we've been hearing about animals right from when we were kids. So we have learned maybe animals that live in water, animals that live on land, wild animals, pet animals, then reptiles. Now maybe some birds, insects, animals that are black in color, some animals that are very colorful, so tiny animals. So let's start with the lesson. Now, the first category that we're going to learn are animals that live on land. Now, here, these animals mostly have four legs. Now, why do you say they mostly have four legs? Because here in this category, we also have birds, we also have reptiles. So, reptiles have got short legs, birds have got two legs. Now, animals that live on land, they are large in size, some are medium, some are small, and some are tiny. So as I tell you the names of some few animals, you picturize those animals in front of you. So some animals like the elephant and bullock are large in size. Some animals like the goat and dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small in size. The squirrel nibbles its food and climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch. Now we've seen many squirrels in our schools, maybe climbing on the trees, eating, in your break time. Now gnats and ants are very tiny animals. Now here is a picture of an elephant and its scarf. Now the elephant's body is bulky. Bulky means it is heavy. Its legs are heavy. They are compared to a pillar. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. So you cannot, there are different animals. Maybe the leopard, it runs at a very great speed, but the elephant cannot run at a great speed. Now here is the picture of a deer. Now properly see the legs of the deer. The deer has got very thin legs, and that is the reason it can run very fast. So maybe when it's being attacked by a lion or a tiger, the deer runs really fast. Now here is the picture of a squirrel. So you can recall all your days that you've spent in school, maybe seeing squirrels when you are eating food. We come to the next category now of birds. Birds are also animals. As I told you before, they have only two legs. They have two wings to fly with, and their bodies are covered with feathers. Now the color, if you see, the crow is black in color, while the egret is white, and the peacock has many different colors. So the peacock is a colorful bird. There are also differences in the flying ability. Means not all the birds can fly very high. So the eagle can soar high into the sky and stay in the air for a long time. And that is not the same with the cock. The cock does not fly high. Maybe it flies little, a very short distance, and it's done. I've got a picture of a hummingbird here and the picture of a peacock. You can see peacock is such a beautiful and colorful bird. No doubt it's our national animal. Now the next category is insects. And the picture is of an ant. Now, insects are tiny animals. They are smaller than birds. They have wings too, but we don't call them birds. They have 6 legs. Mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are insects too. Now, the most beautiful insect that I know is a butterfly. Amphibian, a different name and a different category of animals. Now, you see here the picture of a frog. Now, I am not sure whether you've seen a frog in water and a frog also on land. So, exactly that is what that word means. Amphibians are animals which live on land as well as in water. A frog's hind legs are long, so it can jump, hop, and leap, maybe to move from here to there to catch its prey. We also have crocodiles in this category. Now, the most beautiful animals that live in water, the fishes. Now, fishes are of different kinds. We've got different kinds of fish in the ocean, in the sea, in the rivers. There are also different animals which live in the water. Now, fishes live only in water. They have fins and they move in water with the help of fins. So, there are scales on a fish's body. A fish has gills behind its eyes, and fish use their gills to breathe in water. So, if you see here, the fish has fins which help it to swim. The fish has eyes and the fish has gills which help to breathe in the water. And the fish lives in water, so it's a water animal. Now, what you're going to do at home is go through the entire thing again and learn the different categories of animals that I've told you. That is, animals that live on land, insects, birds, fishes, animals that live in water, and the amphibians. And try to draw one picture of each category in your rough book. So maybe when we finish with the lesson and when we have to draw, you are prepared for the lesson. Start learning difficult spellings from the notes that are given you and learn the spellings, and maybe you could write it in your rough book. So read the lesson, read these points what I've given you of different animals well, and learn the spellings, and don't forget to draw an animal each of the categories that are given in your rough book. Name it, color it, and see you next time. Bye bye.